To get a new VA ID, you will need to replace your Veteran Identification Card. This card is essential for accessing various benefits and services provided by the Department of Veterans Affairs. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to replace your Veteran Identification Card. First, ensure you are eligible for a VA ID card. This card is available to veterans who have served in the U.S. military and have been honorably discharged. You can check your eligibility on the VA website or by contacting your local VA office. Next, gather the required documents. You will need a copy of your DD Form 214, which is your military discharge paperwork, and a valid government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. If your name has changed since your military service, you will also need to provide documentation of the name change, such as a marriage certificate or court order. Now, apply for your new VA ID card. You can do this online through the VA website or in person at your local VA office. If applying online, fill out the application form and upload the required documents. If applying in person, take the documents with you to the VA office and submit them to the staff. Once your application is processed, you will receive your new VA ID card in the mail. This may take several weeks, so be patient and do not call the VA to check on the status of your application unless it has been more than 30 days. It is essential to keep your VA ID card safe and secure, as it contains personal and sensitive information. If your card is lost or stolen, report it to the VA immediately and request a replacement. You can also add a digital version of your VA ID card to your mobile device, which can be used in place of the physical card in many situations. In conclusion, replacing your Veteran Identification Card is a straightforward process that requires gathering the necessary documents and applying through the VA website or in person at your local VA office. By following these steps and keeping your VA ID card safe and secure, you can ensure access to the benefits and services you have earned as a veteran.